Okay, so now we are going to see illustration 16. Sunil and Dalip are partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. So Sachin is admitted in the firm for 1/5 share of profit. He brings in rupees 20,000 as capital and 4,000 as his share of goodwill by check. Give the necessary entries. Case A, when a partner decided to retain goodwill in business. Case B, when the amount of goodwill is fully withdrawn. Case D, Case C, when 50% of amount of goodwill is withdrawn. Very simple. So Sunil and Dalip, two partners, they started their business. In between, they want to add one more partner, Sachin. In Sachin ratio, 1/5 share of profit he entered. Okay, this is what your situation. Sachin brings capital 20,000 and 4,000 for goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to create journal entry. Case 1, when the amount of goodwill credited to existing partner in retained in business. Yes. Case 1, Sachin brings capital and 4,000 for goodwill. Okay. For this transaction, entry will be what comes in. Sachin brings capital. So bank account data to Sachin's capital, 2 premium for goodwill because Sachin bring 4,000 rupees for goodwill. Okay. So bank account data to Sachin capital account. This is for capital. Bank account data to premium for goodwill. 4,000. This is for goodwill entry. Okay. Now, we already discussed the new premium for goodwill. The premium for goodwill shared by old partner in their old ratio, in their sacrificing ratio. Okay. See, premium for goodwill account data, 2 old partners capital account. Premium for goodwill account data, 2 Sunil's capital, Dalit capital, 4,000 into, see, in your sum, they have given old ratio. Yes, see your sum, Sunil, Dalit, yes, 5:3, they don't give new ratio. Without new ratio, we cannot find out sacrificing ratio. So under this situation, we directly take our old ratio. So 4,000 into 5:3. 5 by 8. 4,000 into 5 by 8. 2,500. 4,000 into 3 by 8, 1,500. Okay, this is our first situation. See our next situation. When the amount of goodwill credited to existing partner is fully withdrawn, the partner, they transfer their premium for goodwill their capital account. Okay, after transfer this premium, after transfer this premium of goodwill, partner they take this goodwill amount for their own use. Under this situation, what entry will come? See the entry. When the amount of goodwill credited to existing partner is fully withdrawn. Fully withdrawn mean that partner taken back, they taken back from their capital. Okay, so this is it just like an expenses to the business. In a business point of view, it is considered as an expenses because their the business source reduce when partner take back their amount. Okay, so sum is Sunil's capital account data, Dalip capital account data to bank account. So Sunil's capital account 2,500, Dalip capital account 1,500 to bank account. You just think it is an expenses to business. You always frame your entry in the point of this business point of view only. Okay, so now Sunil's capital account data, partner they take back their premium goodwill portion from their capital. Okay, so Sunil's capital account data, Dalip's capital account data to bank account. This is what when the amount of goodwill taken back and withdrawn the full amount, withdraw the full amount from their capital. Condition C, when 50% of the amount, when 50% of the amount of goodwill credited to existing partner, half amount. Half amount we have, they are going to take. Yes, half amount they are going to take. So Sunil, same way, Sunil's capital account, Dalip capital account, to cash account. Half of the amount being the whole amount of premium is 4,000. The half amount of premium of goodwill is 2,000. This 2,000 only they taken, they withdrawn. Okay, so Sunil's capital account data, the Dalip capital account data to cash account 2,000. This amount shared 2,000 into 5 by 8, 2,000 into 3 by 8. Okay. See the next sum. Vijay and Sanjay are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Ajay into a partner with 1/4 share of shares in profit. So Ajay brings in 30,000 for capital and the request amount for premium, request amount of premium in cash. The goodwill of the firm, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. Listen, in this sum, they have given the whole firm's goodwill, not separate, not new one's goodwill. Okay, they gives the total, the overall firm's goodwill. The new profit sharing ratio 2:1:1. Now you can calculate sacrificing ratio because they have given old ratio as well as new ratio. So there is a chance to calculate sacrificing ratio. Okay. So Vijay and Sanjay withdrawn their share of goodwill. Okay. Give necessary journal entry. See the solution. Ajay will bring 1/4 share. Okay, Ajay will bring 1/4 share of whole goodwill amount. Okay, that the 20,000 into 1/4. That Ajay's goodwill share 5,000 you can get. Okay, the total goodwill into Ajay share. The total goodwill into Ajay profit share. So 20,000 into 1/4, you will get Ajay's goodwill share. Okay, this Ajay's goodwill share, you will get 5,000. This 5,000 only you are going to share by the old partner in their sacrificing ratio. We have old ratio as well as new ratio. Okay, so old minus new, you will get sacrificing ratio. Okay, see, old minus for Vijay, old ratio 3/5 minus new ratio 2/4, old minus new, you will get sacrificing ratio. Okay, 3/5 minus 2/4 is equal to, denominator is not same. So you have to equalize that. 3/5 into 4/4. 3/5 into 4/4. So 4 3s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Now 12/20. The same way here also you have to do 2/4 into 5/5. So 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. Now 12 minus 10 divided by 12. So 12 minus 10, you will get 2/20. The same way you have to calculate Sanjay's old ratio 2/5 minus new ratio 1/4. Denominator is not same. We have to equalize that. 2/5 into 4/4. 8. 4 2s are 8. 5 4s are 20. The same way 1/4 into 5/5. So 5/20. Now 8 minus 5 divided by 20. You will get 3/20. Now your sacrificing ratio 2:3. Now your sacrificing ratio is 2:3. Okay. Yes. Now we can enter the journal. First journal you have to prepare for capital and goodwill bring by new partner. Okay, so bank account data to new partner's capital account, bank account data to premium for goodwill. Okay, so bank account data 35,000 to Ajay's capital amount is 30,000. So premium for goodwill amount we have already found out 5,000. Okay, the second entry will be the premium shared by old partner in their sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account data to Vijay's capital to Sanjay's capital. 5,000 into 2/5. Listen, 5,000 into 2/5. 5,000 into 3 by 5. You will get 2000, 3000. Then after complete this, last word. Notice this last word. Vijay and Sanjay withdrawn their share of goodwill. Withdrawn their share of goodwill. Okay. So the same way, they taken back that goodwill amount for their own purpose. Okay. Now it is considered. Yes, you just think business point of view. It is an expenses because your amount going to reduce, your capital amount going to reduce. Okay, so Vijay's capital account debit the receiver according to personal rule. Debit the receiver. So Vijay's capital account data, Sanjay's capital account data to bank account. So credit what goes out. Okay, so Vijay's capital account. So in the capital account, when you deal the capital account, you just remind the personal account. Okay, in personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, who is going, in this case, who is going to receive money? Vijay's capital account, Sanjay's capital account, to bank account. Okay. Yes. Yes. Your next sum. Illustration 18. Wait. So in illustration 17, they slightly change one point. We'll see 18. Yes. Shrinkat and Raman. Shrinkat and Raman are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Venkat into partnership with 1/3 share in the profit. So Venkat brings in 30,000 as his capital. He also brings in the necessary amount for his share of goodwill. On the date of admission, the goodwill is valued at rupees 24,000. So this 24,000 is called whole firm total goodwill amount. Okay, you have to calculate that new partner goodwill amounts. And the goodwill account appears in the book at rupees only 12,000. Venkat brings in necessary amount for his goodwill and agree that the existing goodwill account be written off. The existing goodwill account be written off. That means the existing goodwill amount taken by the old partner. They taken full amount. Okay, this is what written off. The existing goodwill account be written off. Record the necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. In this sum, they have given old ratio, new partner share of profit, and new partner capital 30,000. And they mention the new partner bring goodwill. They have given total firm's goodwill value 24,000. But in accounts, the goodwill account appears in the book at rupees 12,000 only. So under this situation, how we can deal this? See, okay. First situation, so bring capital. Before you enter your sum, we must calculate the new partner goodwill amount. Okay, so new partner goodwill amount. So in this sum only they have given old ratio. We simply take that old ratio as a sacrificing ratio. Yes. Okay, that old, yes, we'll see first entry. The first entry, bank account data to Venkat Capital to premium for goodwill. So bank account data 38,000, Venkat Capital, he brings 30,000. So premium for goodwill, how you can calculate, ma? So premium for goodwill is equal to 24,000 into that new partner's share, ma, 1 by 3. Okay, so bank account data to Venkat's Capital premium for goodwill account. Bank account data to Venkat's Capital to premium for goodwill 8,000. This 8,000 we have to calculate from 24,000. Listen, 24,000 into 1 by 3. 24,000 into 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 belongs to new partner, new share. Okay. So Venkat new share 1/3 ratio, 1/3 profit ratio. Okay. So 24,000 into 1 by 3, you will get 8,000. This 8,000 belongs to Venkat goodwill amount. Okay. The next entry, this goodwill amount taken by old partner in their sacrificing ratio. Here in your sum, they have given only old ratio. They don't give new ratio. So that this old ratio we have to take it as a sacrificing ratio. Now premium for goodwill account 8,000 into Shrinkat Capital, Raman's Capital. 8,000 into 3 by 5, 8,000 into 2 by 5. Okay. The third entry, that old goodwill written off, that old goodwill, see already the goodwill account is, see your sum, the goodwill account already appears in the books at rupees 12,000. This is what your old goodwill 12,000. This old goodwill, they have that old partner taken back their old share. Okay, so 12,000 into this is what old goodwill written off. That old goodwill written off means they taken back their old goodwill amount in taken back their old goodwill amount in their old ratio. Okay, so Srikanth capital account data, Raman's capital account data to goodwill account. This is what goodwill written off entry. Srikanth capital account data, Raman's capital account data to goodwill account. 12,000 into 3 by 5, you will get 7,200. 12,000 into 2 by 5, you will get 4,800. Okay, va? This is what old goodwill written off. So when the new partner does not bring goodwill in cash, partly or fully, that goodwill, yes. See, when the new partner does not bring goodwill in cash, so goodwill not brought by the new partner will be debited to current account of the new partner, while sacrificing partner's capital account will be credited for their respective share. This is very easy. Listen, when the new partner will not bring goodwill in cash, in type of cash, we have see, when the partner is not able to bring cash, what you can do, you must get some amount for goodwill. Okay, so under this situation, you consider this goodwill amount, you consider this new partner's goodwill amount as a loan. Okay, va? In future he will pay. In future the new partner will pay. Okay, va? So yes, when the new partner does not bring the share of goodwill, the exist two possibles. One, the goodwill does not exist in book. Second category, the goodwill exists in book. So goodwill does not in book. The goodwill does not exist in the books. When the goodwill does not exist in the book, sacrificing partner or credited with their share of goodwill, and the new partner is debited by the amount of goodwill not brought by him. Listen, this means the goodwill amount is not, see here, the goodwill amount is not bring by partner. At this situation, the new partner capital account data to old partners capital account. Okay, the new partners capital account data to old partners capital account. This amount shared by the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Okay. For yes, see illustration 19. Ahuja and Bara are partner in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. They decide to admit Chowdhury into partnership for 1/5 share of profit. The Chowdhury's share 1/5 share of profit, which he acquires equally from Ahuja and Bara. So this 1/5 share get from both partner equally. The goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. This goodwill is valued, that the 30,000 is total firm's goodwill. So Chowdhury bring rupees 16,000 as his capital, but is not in position to bring any amount for goodwill. So no goodwill account exists in books of the firm. The goodwill account is to be raised at full value. Record the necessary journal entry. First entry, you know very well. So bring capital. So bring capital mean bank account data to Chowdhury's capital account 16,000, 16,000. So here you are not mentioned the premium for goodwill because no goodwill account exists in the books. Okay. Now, the total firm's goodwill they have given. The total firm's goodwill they have given. So we have to share this amount. Share this goodwill amount by their sacrificing ratio. Listen, the goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. Yes, Chowdhury brings only 16,000 as his capital, but is not in position to bring any amount for goodwill. He doesn't bring any amount for goodwill. Listen, see the next line. No goodwill account exists in the book. So total goodwill. The total goodwill, see, Chowdhury's current account. 30,000. To Ahuja's capital 18,000. To Varu's capital 12,000. Okay. Yes, they decided to admit Chowdhury 1/5 share. So a bank account data to Chowdhury's capital. Chowdhury brings 16,000. Okay. The goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. Chowdhury's current account data to yes, this goodwill is Chowdhury's goodwill, I think. So Chowdhury's current account data, yes, see. 30,000, Chowdhury being 60,000, but is not in position to bring any amount for goodwill. No goodwill account is yes. See, underline this word, no goodwill account exists in books. So we have to clear this goodwill. Hereafter, in your book, you don't have goodwill name, okay? So that we have to take back this goodwill. So Chowdhury's goodwill account data 30,000 to Ahuj Bahu's capital account. So goodwill credited to sacrificing partner's current account. We clear actually we are going to wash out this goodwill account so that only we use current account. You know very well what is the difference between a capital account and current account. So the current account is a temporary capital account. What are all the expenses and the partners receipts and payments. So all these kind of characters we are dealing in partners current account. Okay. See the next one. Ram and Rahim are partner in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Rahul is admitted in the partner 1/3 share in profit. He brings in rupees 10,000 as his capital. but is not in position to bring any amount of his share of goodwill which has been valued at 30,000. Give necessary journal entries under each of the following situation. Situation A, when there is no goodwill appear in the books of the firm. Second one, when the goodwill appears at 15,000 in the books of the firm. First position, when no goodwill appear in the books. First one, bank account data to Rahul's capital account, 10,000, 10,000. Okay. See this next entry. When the goodwill appears, no goodwill appear. So no goodwill appear mean just before we saw that sum. No goodwill appear mean new partner current account. We have to use new partner current account data to Ram's capital to Rahim's capital. 30,000 into 3 by 5, 30,000 into 2 by 5. When the goodwill appear in the books at rupees 15,000, bank account data to Rahul's capital 10,000, 10,000. The Rahul's current account data. Rahul's current account data to Ram's capital account, Rahim's capital account. So half of the yes. When the goodwill appear in the books rupees 15,000.